Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? So, in last 3 days, my friend, Pancakeswap, my friend, will do something very special and very new, my friend. So, therefore, I notify all of you to please, my friend. I'm going to predicate this coin. I do technical analysis and also share opinion in the last of video. So, please must watch this all video to understand better everything. This is very important for you if you want to earn money from Pancakeswap from crypto. So, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Because remember, ABS Tech channel will not a financial video, just can only give you advice. So here, as you can see, my friend, the highest price 19.89 USD dollar, but the current price, my friend, as you can see, 18 0.42 USD dollar. So here is not a big difference, my friend, in the prices. Definitely that's mean, my friend, price will be pumping up, but sometime they were fails down. So this is does not mean to they were fails down. Absolutely, after fails every coin will pumps up. So I hope, my friends, to upcoming time, my friend, Pancakeswap will also give us a very good profit. But this is does not mean, my friends, to you are starting selling if they were fails down. So this is does not mean to you are starting selling. You will need, my friends, to hold down if you are hold. So I hope, my friends, to Pancakeswap will give you a profit in last 24 hours. You can see a minus 4.57% they were fails down. So I hope in upcoming time they will 6 to 10% profit in upcoming days. So therefore I will notify you to you will need just and only to wait for the end of month, because after the mid of month, especially in last 10 days, I am 100% sure to Pancakeswap will give you a profit. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope Pancakeswap will make you millionaire. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.